Welcome to Confluence Essentials, a beginner's introduction to Atlassian Confluence by Avant Systems Group. This is the third in a series of videos highlighting Confluence's capabilities as a document handling and collaboration tool for teams, and how it helps people and organizations to deliver work. This video is the third and final video of the course. In this video, we'll cover how to make Confluence your go-to workspace and provide expert tips for success with the tool. Confluence is a pretty flexible tool. It allows you to customize a lot of things to your liking. Your Confluence administrator will set up most organization-level settings, but there are a number of things about your experience that you can control. To access your personal settings, select your profile picture icon at the top right to bring down your settings menu. A number of items here help tailor your experience in Confluence. Your personal space is a place where you can create your own pages and publish your own blog posts. Your profile contains basic information about you, which other Confluence users can view. This section shows a list of tasks you've been assigned in Confluence. This is the settings section where the bulk of the items you can customize in Confluence exist. This button lets you log out of Confluence completely if necessary. It's generally best to keep Confluence open through your workday in a browser. Now that we know how to get to our customization settings, let's go through some top tips for setting up Confluence for success. Tip number 1. Update your profile. Your user profile brings clarity to your role, responsibilities, and personal interests. It helps your teammates get to know you and understand what you do. You can add a profile picture, your job title, and any other personal information you'd like to share. Here's how to update your profile. Click your profile picture at the top right of your screen. Select Profile from the menu, and in the Profile section, edit your role, department, company name, and your location to suit. Tip number 2. Personalize your email preferences. Email is one way that many people choose to stay on top of their work. In your personal settings, you can change the volume of automated emails you receive from Confluence. Click your profile picture at the top right of your screen, select Settings from the menu, and in the Settings section, click Email. Then the Edit button to unlock the checkboxes on this page. You can turn items on or off as you see fit, but it's best to keep your email settings as all-inclusive as you can to help you stay on top of your work. If emails become too overwhelming, you can also try setting up email filters, which we'll talk about more shortly. Tip number 3. See all your Confluence tasks in one place. Did you know you can assign tasks in Confluence using the Action Items macro? These tasks help you track and manage your work. If your team is using tasks in Confluence, you can see them all in one place using the Personal Settings menu. Here's how. Click your profile picture at the top right. Select Tasks. And here in the Tasks window, you can toggle between tasks assigned to you and created by you. You can also see a list of incomplete tasks and completed tasks. Tip number 4. Stop watching certain pages and spaces. One way to declutter your inbox is to stop watching pages or spaces you no longer interact with. When you stop watching a page or space, you'll no longer receive email notifications about them. You can stop watching multiple spaces and pages by using the Settings menu. Here's how. Click your profile picture at the top right, select Settings, click the Watches tab from the top menu, and click Stop Watching next to any space or page. Tip number 5. Set up custom email filters. This tip isn't really something you can configure in Confluence, but many users find it extremely helpful. If you're receiving too many emails from Confluence, you can set up a filter using your email client to push emails into more organized subfolders. Many users find creating an email filter better for managing emails rather than changing their notification settings in Confluence. With a filter, you still get the important emails, but now they're labeled, categorized, and not cluttering up your inbox. To set up an email filter, you'll need to do some light research to understand the email client that you're using. Emails from Confluence will always come from the address confluence@yourinstancesname.atlassian.net. Let's recap what we've learned. You can set up Confluence the way you like to make it your go-to workspace. Update and add information to your profile so everyone in the organization knows who you are and what you do. Use the Tasks panel to see all your Confluence tasks in one place. You can select which pages and spaces to stop watching if you're no longer working in them. And custom email filters on your mail client go a long way to organizing and managing Confluence email notifications. Thanks for watching. Avant Systems Group is a dedicated Atlassian solution partner. We sell, support, and configure Atlassian products for companies of all sizes and provide agile team training. This concludes the final video in this series. Check out our other Atlassian tutorials and content, and reach out to us with questions on our website at avant.ca.